Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing today? I want to welcome my new subscribers. If you guys haven't already figured out, this channel it's basically me eating and burping and smacking and me being me. So welcome to the family. Keep sharing this video so we can get more people. I'm kind of whispering because my daughter is asleep and I don't want to wake her up because she doesn't feel good. So if y'all, sorry, that's the only reason why I'm, kind of whispering. But today I have some fried pork chop, some broccoli with cheese, and some, I think it's like 4 cheese pasta. I don't know. And of course, the main prize, Coke. Yum. And I got some barbecue sauce for my pork chop. You guys, I swear my pasta looks dry as Hell, but it's really not. I don't know why it came out looking so dry. I'm so glad my voice, I have been sick for the past couple of days. I just bit my inside of my mouth, trying to be greedy. But I'm gonna still eat though. But like I was saying, I have been sick. Oh my God, are you serious? Fuck. I have been sick for the past couple of days, and my voice is like literally goes in and out. Sometimes I sound like a young boy going through puberty. Sometimes I sound like a grown man. It depends, you know? It's a mess. It's so good. This is a home cooked meal. I had to cook me some food today. Cheers. Oh my gosh. Coke is so freaking good. I gotta stop drinking it though. I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on the side right here so I can dip. Okay. It's so good. So I can dip my pork chop. Right here. I like it when you do it right there. Y'all remember that song? I wanna know where Chingy at. Whatever happened to him? If anybody knows, comment down below. Hashtag what happened to Chingy. He just kind of like disappeared. Oh my gosh. My barbecue sauce is touching my broccoli. I do not like, for like condiments, well, more so dipping sauces to touch my main food. Oh my gosh, I just about to slice my cheek off. Anyways, to touch my food, I don't like it. Comment down below if y'all don't like your food touching. I usually don't like my food touching, but I'm hungry, so right now I don't care. Today has been a long day. Most of you don't know that I'm a daycare teacher. And is this fat? If it is, I'm going to eat it. This is boneless pork chop. like I was saying, I'm a daycare teacher, and I work with toddlers, 1-year-olds. Oh my God. So today has been a long, trying day for me. Oh my God. If one more noodle drops in this barbecue sauce, I'm gonna flip this table over. This broccoli is so good. I love broccoli. I can literally eat broccoli like every day. Like, I love it so much. It's so good. I don't know what it is about broccoli, but it's so freaking good. I kind of over fry my pork chop. Only because I want it to be done in the middle. Because this is a thick pork chop. It still tastes good though. I'm gonna just keep this knife away from my face because I was just about to chop off my ear. I like for my broccoli to be mushy. I don't like for it to be hard. It's nasty that way. Crazy thing though, I can eat raw broccoli with ranch, but I cannot eat crunchy broccoli like this with cheese. Crazy. I'm weird, but you know, I don't care. So I was thinking about uploading videos every day starting the new year. I'm not sure. Comment down below if you guys would like that. Coke is so strong, but it's so good. I'm the one that used to say Coke had crack in it. That's why people was addicted to it. Matter of fact, while I'm laying in bed tonight, I'm gonna look up an article about that. If it's true, guess I gotta switch to Pepsi then. I'm pretty sure it's not true. Cause I'll be skinny by now if it had crack in it. Cause crack make you not eat. It make you skinny. Make you look crazy. And I'm far from skinny. You know? a little hot still. This is the best barbecue sauce ever. What is it? The sauce is the boss. Sweet Baby Ray's. Best barbecue sauce ever invented. It's so good. I'm not full though. I'm gonna steam my pork chop for a late night snack. You know, I'll be looking at some mukbangers. I just don't see how to eat sloppy. I don't like messy stuff. Like, I literally don't. This broccoli was so good. Glad I made a big pan of it. Pot. Oh my gosh, I hate that sound. Whew, I'm full. You get a little cup of burps for you guys. I got broccoli on the floor. It's not working. I'm full. Like, absolutely full. Excuse me. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and hit post notification bell. Also, share these videos. Share them. You guys, I'm tired, so I'm about to start acting crazy. You know, when you get tired, you just start doing some weird, crazy stuff. That's me. I'm that type of person. So, I will see you guys later.